Have you ever wondered why do plants have green color and we do not have it? What do plants have in them which we do not have? To understand this, let us consider a small piece of skin and a leaf. What will be the smallest part of a leaf and skin be called? A cell. A cell is very tiny and we cannot see it with our eyes. We always require a microscope for it. Although the cell being so tiny, it beholds a complex machinery inside it. Isn't this shocking that such a small cell is having a complex machinery inside it? To understand this, let us zoom into the cell. Both plant and animal cells have a nucleus, which protects the genetic information shared by our parents with us. This information is used by the endoplasmic reticulum to produce chemicals which are required by the cell. These chemicals are then modified in Golgi apparatus and sent to different destinations in the cell with the help of small packets called as vesicles. During all these processes, the cell produces a lot of waste material and this needs to be disposed. Lysosome and vacuoles take responsibility of this disposal of waste materials. Cell is performing so many activities. We know that to perform activities we require energy. And here comes the interesting thing. Each cell has its own powerhouse of energy which supplies energy to do every function. This is called as the mitochondria. These were the similarities between the plant and the animal cell. But what makes the plant cell different from the animal cell? The plant cell consists of a chloroplast. A chloroplast produces chlorophyll. A chlorophyll helps the plant to produce its own food, and it is the one who is responsible for the green color of the plant. So let's see how exactly the plant is producing its own food. It breathes in some carbon dioxide, takes up some water and takes a good sun bath. And here the magic happens. Carbon dioxide and water are converted to food and oxygen. Amazing! I don't mind to look like an alien with green bodies if I can produce my own food. If you want to know more about this magic, stay tuned with me.